Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a mountain gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in excellent condition. A black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate. This one does have all-season floor mats that are up front, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start it up. This also comes with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. We've got the convenience package, which is going to give you garage door openers, auto dimming mirrors. You've got a rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA 250 has 4,386 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmannimports.com.